Hello, let's study Khmer note. This lesson is interested. Yes, because you see, consonant change sounds. Wow. Last lesson I told you about only vowel change sound because of the consonant O and consonant O. But now consonant also change the sound. How? Okay, let's review. I will read it again. Co, kho, cô, khô, ngô, cho, cho, chô, chô, nhô, đo, tho, đồ, thô, no, to, tho, tô, thô, nô, bo, po, 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 mo, yo, ro, lo, vô, so, ho, lo, o. Okay, so you remember already, I hope. So for green letter is the all consonant and yellow letter is all consonant. So which consonant we change sound? Okay, this. So the consonant have pair like ko, 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 ko. They have pair. It means the O. I said last lesson already. Consonant is change to is have two group, right? Group O and group O. So the group O is ko, ko, group O, the green highlight. But the yellow highlight is group O. So group O is ko, ko, ngo. Ko, ko, ngo. But ko, ko is have pair. The pair of ko is ko. The pair of ko is ko. But ngo don't have pair. So how? Ngo is the O group, the consonant O, group O. They don't have the pair of consonant group O, so they have to change themselves to be the group, to be a group O too. Like the yellow one have to be changed to the green, and the green one have to change the yellow. You see. Ngo don't have pair, nhô also don't have pair, and mo don't have pair, yo, ro, vô also don't have pair. Ngô, nhô, mo, ngô, nhô, mo, yo, ro, vô is the O consonant. So they have to change themselves to be a O consonant, O group consonant. And for the O group, like so, ho, lo, o. So, ho, no. So, ho, o. So, ho, o is the O group. So they have to change themselves to be an O group because they don't have pair. They alone. So they have to change themselves to be the another group. You mean what I say? It means they have to be balanced. The consonant also make themselves to be balanced. So the ko have the pair. Consonant O is ko. Example like that. So the consonant that don't have pair, they have to find pair by themselves. So they have to change them to be another. So they become have that pair. And I highlight for the ball, the blue one is special. The ball also can change to be O group and also can change to be O group. So let's see it. Okay, so it is the O consonant. Ngô, nhô, mo, yo, ro, vô is in the O consonant. O consonant is the sound is a little big, but the O consonant the sound is like small sound. So how to change? You see, if we use this on the top one. It's called mu sen ton or twin condol. It's me that character that sign like the mouse ticks, so we can tell it's a mouse tick. So look, you can imagine it look like the mouse tick, the mouse, the front of the mouse tick like this. Yes. So we use the design. So example like near, you see, ngô, ear, near. So if if we put this, become like that, nga, nga. So you see, the vowel where you speak the all consonant, the sound is ear, near, ear. But when we put the mosaic, the sign of mosaic on the top one, the sound of vowel become like the original sound, like we use with the all consonant. So nghĩa become nga, ear become a. You understand? Nghĩa, nga. So and then nghị, nghị. Okay, become nghe. So because of the e is the top of the consonant already, is we combine, we put, so is we put the mosaic, I call that sign is mosaic. So is we put the mosaic also on the top, so it's like not good, right? So they change the mosaic become like that, you see. Okay, so nghị become nghe, like I become e. The vowel from the sound change become the original sound of vowel. I hope you remember it. And for bo, so bo is the same. So bo become bo. So I read one by one. Ngô become ngò, nhô become nhò, mô become mò, dố become dò, rố become rò, vố become vò, bó become bò. Okay, but for vowel like ngua, ngưa, nghĩa, no need to change, because the vowel even in the use with the O group is also ear, and use with the O group also ear. So the sound always the same. So no need to use the mouse stick. No need to use design, because even use it, the sound never change. The vowel sound didn't change. Okay. So I read it. It is the sound with the vowel sound with ngô consonant. So I read it before use the mosaic. So it's the O consonant with the vowel, the sound like nghĩa, nghị, nghi, ngự, ngứ, ngụ, ngu, ngua, ngơ, ngứa, nghĩa, nghe, nghe, ngấy, ngô, ngữ, ngúng, ngúng, ngoám, nghe, ngu, nghĩ, ngùa. Okay, it's because ngô is the O consonant. So we put the mouse tick, we put the sign for change the sound of the consonant. So when we change the sound of consonant, the vowel become the original vowel. Like, okay, I read it. Nga, ngẹ, ngấy, ngợ, ngớ, ngộ, ngô, ngua, ngá, ngưa, nghía, nghe, ngái, ngáy, ngáo, ngáy, ngúng, ngóm, ngắm, nga, ngô, ngá, ngọt. You see, the sound will change. The vowel become the original vowel sound. The sound used with the O group. So for another consonant, I done one by one because it's have time. So just let you read it. Nhà, nhẹ, nhảy, nhợ, nhớ, mộ, mồ, múa, dạ, dưa, dĩa, dễ, dạy, dạy, ráo, ráo, rống, rõm, sorry, vóm, 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 vắm, pa, po, pe, po. Okay, a bit difficult, but it's okay. This is not much use when we learn about the words. You will be remember it. Not think seriously, but please understand why. What is the sign? What is the sign meaning? Just know that is enough. And then consonant change sound with this mark. So the all consonant, yes, so ho all is a is the all consonant. So all consonant, one they want to change to be a O consonant. So when they change to be O consonant, they use that sign. That sign is called trace-up or sọ cò. It means you remember cò hair. So cò have the hair, so we call cò hair. So like example, sa, yes, so sa. So we put that sign, we put the cò hair sign, become like that, but the sound become sear. You see, sa is the all consonant, so the vowel sound is a, so a, sa. So when we put the that sign, the call hair sign, the consonant will be change sound to be a O consonant. So when change sound to be O consonant, so the vowel also can change the sound. So a change to be ear. So make the call hair, so ear, sear. Okay, the same. Set. Combine with that add the sign, become si. Set become si. So when the same like last example, when we add the top, the egg is also the soft, so it's like not beautiful, so they change like that. So I read it again. So become so, ho become ho, o become o. So bo become bo. Okay, so same for ear, no need to change to add anymore, because the sound of the vowel ear is never changed. Even in the O group or even in the O group, is sound is same. Okay, so I read the original sound. Okay, sa, se, say, sơ, so, xua, sa, xưa, xía, xê, sai, say, sao, sáu, sống, xóm, xăm, sa, so, se, so. Okay, so we saw consonant change sound with the call hair like. Okay, I read it. Sia, si, sự, sư, sụ, su, xua, sơ, xưa, xía, xế, xế, sấy, số, sớ, súng, súng, xóm, xe, su, si, sủa. Okay, and then for ho, o, bo, so I read it. Here, he, hư, hụ, hú, húa, ứa, ía, ế, ấy, bố, bớ, bổm, bóm, be, bu. be, not be, be, bùa. Okay, the sound become like that. So I want to show you again for bo. So bo we can change to be all consonant and all consonant. So when we change bo, it is become bo, and change to the all consonant become bo. And for you speak the a like that, you see. So if this word, how can we pronounce it? It is b or b. How we pronounce. So let's remember for bo. So for bo, it's back and become all consonant become a back like that, and back become the all consonant like that, b. So b we write like that, back b. You see? Okay. I just know what is sign meaning. That sign is mean like that. So it's easy, nothing difficult. Just you remember the vowel sound. All sound of vowel is 46 or 40. Just remember all sound. You will be know how to pronounce of this word. Okay. Please remember it. Thank you. Bye bye.